You're welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's me, your girl. I'm here again. If you're new here, please, I want to thank you very much for clicking on this my video to come and see this my face that you don't know from anywhere. All you have to do right now is just stay to the end of this video and definitely you will learn something from this video. When starting a new year, there's this high positive energy, this high motivation, all those vibes that comes along with it. And you see people tend to like write down their goals, their personal goals, their plans, what they want to achieve for the year. This year I must do this thing. This year that was I don't want to do, I must do them. But do you actually know that you can have a plan, but you can lack direction? So, do you know why most people procrastinate? It's not because they feel tired or because they are lazy. Most people procrastinate because they don't even have direction. They don't even know where to start. They don't know what to do, how to go about those their plans, those their personal goals that they have written down. But they'll be like, okay, maybe tomorrow I'll try it. But they don't even know how to do it. They don't even know who to talk to, right? 2023 made me understand that you see those beautiful goals that you have written down, those beautiful plans that you have for yourself, and you'll be looking at them and you'll not say, how do I even achieve this thing? But you can lack direction. In this video, I'll be sharing more how we can elevate our life and our goals this 2024 so that we'll be able to win this 2024. You see, this year 2024 we are going to make it the best year of our life. We are going to win. See, no matter that tiredness, no matter that laziness, no matter the self-doubt that we have within this 2024, we must make it our best year. You see, having a goal is not just enough, but how do you go about achieving those goals? So this brings us to clarity. How do you gain clarity? Clarity is when you have a clear understanding of what you actually want, what you really want to do about those your personal goals. You pause and think and say, these things that I've written down, is it actually what I want, or is it because others are doing it? Right? Do you know that you don't actually need a new year to make a change or to write down your goals? All you need is just clarity. Have clarity. Clarity is when you pause and have a self-reflection on yourself and you say, what am I supposed to do to ensure that I am on the right track? So we'll be talking more about the importance of clarity. Number one importance of clarity is that it makes it easier for us to have a roadmap of how we want to go about our plans, our personal goals that we have. So secondly, clarity allows us to have a sense of direction. It helps us to set achievable targets and helps us to know our priorities so that we don't waste our time and energy in something that we don't really need, right? When you have clarity, you have a sense of direction whereby this is what I want. This is my personal goal and it's either yes or yes. I'm doing this thing. I'm doing this thing no matter what comes out from it. You're seeing your goals, you're seeing your plans that this thing is achievable. Right? So that's what clarity does. Clarity makes us to stay motivated and being focused on our goals. When you have clarity, you have this self-confidence that no matter the self-doubt, no matter the discouragement around you, you will stay focused to your goals, to your personal goals, to your plans, and you'll be like, no matter what anybody is saying about me, you see this thing, I'm going to achieve it too. So clarity is one thing that makes you stay focused. No matter the distractions, no matter the obstacles, you're hitting it on the nails. Clarity helps us build strong relationships with others, not just with anybody, but with people that will be interested and supportive in our life journey, career journey, relationship journey. We get to build those relationships. We articulate and communicate effectively our goals and our plans with those people. It helps us network with the right persons so that you don't keep investing in a relationship that doesn't worth your time, that doesn't worth your energy and your resources, right? The people you talk to and the people you express yourself to, they can actually have influence on your goals and your personal life. Yes. If you have friends that they don't talk about business, they don't talk about careers, they don't talk about how to elevate their lives, they don't talk about their plans, man, then what are you doing with those friends? What are you doing building and investing in those relationships? You don't want to have people around you who will always be discouraging you. But when you have clarity, you know the kind of persons that you want to talk to, you know the kind of persons that you want to stick around with. This word adaptability has been ringing in my head. And clarity is something that helps us to be adaptable to our goals. Where there is progress, there's always an obstacle. No way. So that when something doesn't work for you, you will not look for another way. You will be flexible to sort out those things, whereby you're sticking to your overall plan. And clarity also helps us to maximize our productivity and our potentials. Have you ever done something before, like you'll not be like, did I actually do this thing? You say, wow, so I have this potential in me. I have this creativity in me. That's what clarity does. Sometimes you get to exceed your limit in doing something. It makes you go the extra mile in achieving your goals, because you are not sure that it's either I'm starting up this business or is never. Nothing is distracting me. You tend to put in your whole idea, your potentials in it, and you'll be like, wow, did I actually achieve these things? Even if at the end one you don't achieve 90 or 99% of what you plan to, but you can see your little progress. So clarity plays a very, very significant role. If you look at the importance of clarity that I have mentioned, you will know that when you have clarity in terms of achieving your goals, you will have a sense of direction. And you see those your goals that you have written down, are they even smart enough? When I say smart, I mean, are your goals specific? Are they measurable? Are they achievable? That is, your goals, are they attainable? Are they realistic? Are they also timely? That is, there's a time bound for it so that you can measure and evaluate your success and your failures. So now let's look at it this way. When your goals are smart, what does it look like? When your goals are smart, let's start with the word S, specific. You have to be specific about what you want. That your business you want to start, you have to be specific. Okay, I'm starting up my business this year. This is what I want to do right now. Be specific about it. You see this YouTube channel, I'm specific. I want to start up my YouTube channel, and I'll be creating content that are related to self-development. You do some research about what you want to do, the kind of business you want to do. You talk to people about it. That's how to be specific about your goals. And when you talk about measurable, your goals should be measurable, whereby you have key indicators in whatever thing you want to do. It means that you can say, okay, my first video, I want my content to have at least 5 likes, 1 follower, and 2 followers or 3 followers. That's how to be measurable about your goals. That's how to make your goals measurable. This is my business I want to start. In my first month, I want to have a customer base of 5 persons who will come to buy from me. That's how to make those goals measurable. Let's talk about the letter A in the word smart. Are your goals achievable? Achievable, right? Your goals are achievable. Not just setting ambiguous goals. Let's talk about the arrow. Are your goals realistic? Are you seeing that? Are you seeing this your goals that you are going to achieve this thing? Are you looking up to it and say, man, you see this thing, I'm doing it because I'm seeing a vision in it. Okay, I want to start up a YouTube channel. Getting 1K subscribers, in your first 6 months, is it attainable? Is it realistic to you with the kind of content you'll be posting? So that you don't come and be discouraged when you're not getting the results. Does it have a time bound for you, whereby you have to evaluate, you have to pause and evaluate those goals that you have set for yourself? These are your goals that you have set. You now say that, okay, in the next 3 months, I'm going to pause and check out my achievements, check out where I'm not doing well, evaluate myself. You now come and sit down and you do some self-reflection. You now know where you are doing good and what you're not doing right. You adjust. So that's what it takes to have a smart goal. It's not just about you setting goals that are ambiguous, that you now exaggerate. If there's anything you want to improve this year, is your self-development and your personal growth. How do I grow? How do I develop myself? So that you don't stay in one corner and you're not growing. You can grow, you can still grow. Don't be stagnant. Try out new things. See the world in a new perspective. You must not have the kind of money you want to be happy. Happiness is within you. You have to create your own happiness right from your little beginning. It is time to start. It is just time to start. Make those mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. So, like minds, I want to thank you for watching this video to this far, and I hope you find this video helpful. All you have to do right now is that please just give this video a thumbs up, like this video, so that YouTube will also show it to others who might be interested. You don't know, someone might learn from this video, right? And you can also share the video, and you can also drop your comments in the comment section. You see, this 2024, we are winning this 2024. So thank you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.